This quick video is about how to add your signature on image on iPhones. Before that, if you don't know how to add your signature on PDF means, watch this video, link in the description. Okay, let's do this. First, open that photo. It may present on Photos app or Files app, no problem. Just open that and take a screenshot of that. Then click this. Here you can easily add your signature. Then click this plus icon, signature. If you already added the signature means you can just tap and use the signature or add a new one. Here just put your signature and click done. Move and adjust the signature to your wish like this, and also crop this photo a little bit to looks good like this. Then click done and choose where you want to save this photo. It may be a Photos app or Files app. I choose Photos. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see this. Yeah, now you can share or transfer anywhere. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.